Hello ladies and gentlemen, good day and God bless you. I am Ctrl C, welcome to Ctrl C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today, in this special online seminar section, we are going to explore a highly practical and everyday use topic, fundamentals of computer, application of Microsoft Office Word used shortcuts. This comes under the larger learning segment fundamentals of computer shortcuts. In this full investigation and observation report, we will discuss the purpose of Microsoft Word shortcuts, list the most important ones, and understand their importance in professional sectors like aviation, railways, education, and corporate documentation. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used word processing applications in the world. It is the standard tool for creating, editing, formatting, and printing documents. Whether it's preparing aviation safety manuals, drafting railway technical reports, writing academic essays, or creating meeting presentations, word shortcuts save time, increase accuracy, and improve productivity. Instead of repeatedly moving the mouse and navigating menus, shortcut keys allow quick commands that directly perform a function. This is especially important in fast-paced work environments where every second counts. Some of the core Microsoft Word shortcuts every professional should know include Ctrl+N for creating a new document, Ctrl+O for opening an existing document, Ctrl+S for saving changes instantly, Ctrl+P for printing, and Ctrl+Z for undoing mistakes. Editing functions are made faster with Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+X for cut, and Ctrl+V for paste. Formatting text is made easy with Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. Navigation inside a document is faster with Ctrl+F to find text, Ctrl+H to find and replace, and Ctrl+G to go to a specific page or section. For document management, Ctrl+A selects all content, Ctrl+L aligns text to the left, Ctrl+E centers it, and Ctrl+R aligns it to the right. In aviation operations, staff may use Microsoft Word to prepare flight schedules, safety guidelines, or technical inspection reports where shortcuts reduce time and improve formatting consistency. In railway administration, shortcut keys help in quickly editing circulars, maintenance logs, and project proposals without losing focus or speed. In academic and research fields, shortcuts enable students and professionals to format lengthy documents, citations, and tables with minimal effort. From an observational standpoint, the consistent use of Microsoft Word shortcuts not only improves typing speed but also reduces repetitive strain from excessive mouse usage. It allows the user to stay focused on the creative or analytical part of the work rather than spending extra time searching for commands. This makes shortcuts a fundamental component of applied computer science in office productivity tools. In conclusion, Microsoft Word shortcuts are more than just key combinations. They are a time-saving strategy, a skill enhancement method, and a productivity booster. In our investigation today, we observed that whether in aviation, railways, education, or business, mastering word shortcuts increases professional efficiency and accuracy. Learning and applying these shortcuts is essential for anyone who regularly works with digital documents.
Thank you for joining this special seminar on fundamentals of computer. Application of Microsoft Office Word used shortcuts. Stay connected with Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel for more investigation-style reports, seminars, and technology knowledge sharing.